A new car is purchased for $25,000 on this particular date, and after 8 years, the car is only worth $10,000. So T of 0 represents January 1st, 1998. Here's the value. T of 8 is 8 years past the initial purchase date. It's worth $10,000. So I have the two ordered pairs, X representing time since the car was purchased, and Y representing the value at any given time after January 1st, 1998. So I'm going to find the slope by doing Y sub 2 minus Y sub 1 over X sub 2 minus X sub 1, and I have negative 15,000 over 8. So Y equals negative 15,000 over 8X plus B. Now, common sense here is this is going to be the easier of the two numbers to plug in. When I plug in 0 for X, it wipes out this portion, and B would equal 25,000. Y equals negative 15,000 over 8X plus 25,000. All right, let's plug this in. First, we're going to start by resetting our calculator. Second plus 712, going up to Y equals, and putting this in parentheses. Okay, let's adjust the window. I need to go at least out 8. In fact, I'll probably go out like 15. And now do zoom fit. Again, this is the years since January 1st, 1998, and this is the value over time. What is the value of the car? So this is exactly 5 years after. So I can go second trace value and 5. So 15,625 would be the value on this particular date. What is the value of the car January 1st, 2001? Well, from 2001 is 3 years past the initial year. 3 years past the initial year, but then we have this partial of a year. It's 32 days past January 1st. So here's the partial. So to plug this in, I'm going to go second trace, 3 full years plus a partial of 32 divided by 365. And we can assume on February 1st, 2001, the car would be worth $19,210.62. When will the car become worthless? That means when does it have 0? So second trace, we want to figure out this 0. So I'm going to bring it all the way down here. Above, below, and back to that point. All right, so here is the 0. It's 13.3 repeating. So 13 years past, we'll come back to that. And then we have this partial, 13 years past. Well, 13 years past 1998, you can simply take 1998 plus 13, and that gives us the year. So in the year 2011, and now let's turn this 0.333 into a number of days. So 0.33333, and we're going to take that times 365 for the number of days in a year. So we can assume in the year 2011, 121 days into the year 2011, the car will become worthless or worth $0.